Ayan, so welcome to Kilig Triggers Training or live session here sa Never Chase newsletter. Yan, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you sa mga nag-avail, sa mga galing playbook. Ayan. So here, ang mga i-discuss natin are this one. Why nice guy seduction don't work. Number two, ano yung sinasabi ng mga babae na something that makes them attracted. And number three, ano yung mga emotional triggers to create a magnetic connection. So, start muna tayo dito. Women need to feel something to be attracted to you. So, kailangan nilang, women are very emotional creatures. Kasi tayo, logical, di ba? More on logic tayo. Ang women is emotional. Kumbaga, mas nakakaramdam sila sa atin. Mas marami silang emotional roller coaster, kumbaga. And yung something na yon is what we call tension. So, di ba parang dumating na ba kayo sa point na kapag tinanong nyo yung girl, kunwari meron kayong kaklase before, and tinatanong siya, ano yung nakita mo sa guy na to? Bakit siya yung nagustuhan mo? Bakit siya yung napili mo? Always sinasabi nila, kasi merong something eh. Palaging ganun. May something siya. Hindi ko alam pero may something siya. Sila hindi nila ma-explain, hindi nila alam kung ano 'yon. Pero na-discover ko, ang tawag sa something na 'yon was tension. So, you cannot create tension. Hindi mo mapaparamdam sa kanya yung something na 'yon if number one, you respond immediately to every message. Namaya, i-deep dive natin kung bakit, pero ito, i-run through lang natin kung ano-ano yung mga nakakapag-kill ng tension, nakakapag-kill ng attraction. Number two, you send long, detailed text explaining everything. Number four, you always agree with her opinions. Number five, you ask too many questions. So, kumbaga parang si Boy Abunda na, interview style. Number five, tries to keep the conversation going at all costs. Tipong ayaw mo nang matigil, ayaw mo nang mahinto, kasi natatakot ka, baka hindi na kayo nakapag-usap ulit. Next is, you avoid flirting or sexual topics. Masyado kang safe, hindi ka nagpa-flirt, hindi ka nagtuturo ng banters, kumbaga hindi ka playful, kumbaga you want everything to be smooth. So, yun yung mga tension killers or attraction killers. Kasi ito guys, when there is tension, there's always attraction. Di ba? Isipin nyo, think of it like this. Alam nyo yung magnet? Di ba yung magnet, if pinagtapat nyo yung North Pole sa South Pole, magge-generate siya ng pull. Kumbaga may attraction, di ba? May tension. Pero kapag pag north sa north, magre-repel. So, walang tension, walang hila. So, yun yung kailangan natin makuha. Kailangan natin yung hila na yun. Yun yung tinatawag na polarity, the natural attraction. So, if there is tension, matik, merong attraction. Okay? Ito pala. Next is, meron pa. Constantly checks in with good morning or good night text. Yung palaging nag-good morning, palaging nag-good night. Ayan. And lastly, seeks her approval in messages. So, all in all, kapag sinamarize natin to, is you are being constant and being predictable. So, when you are being constant, predictable, you're giving a lot of your attention and your validation. And you're giving this for free. So, ano ba yung mga bagay ba na nakukuha mo ng libre is may value? Di ba wala kasi libre nga eh. So, kapag walang value yung isang bagay, mas pahalagahan mo ba to? Di ba hindi naman? Mas may value yung bagay na alam mong pinaghirapan mo. So, if you're always giving constant validation, constant attention, hindi niya i-value yung binibigay mo. So, here's yung ito, pag-usapan natin yung graph of excitement. So, mag-drawing tayo. Paano mag-drawing dito? Ito, yan. So, graph of excitement is always like this. Pag ganyan-ganyan siya, up and down, up and down. Now, gusto natin to ma-recreate when it comes to attracting women. When we are dealing with women, when we're trying to, kasi ang goal nga naman talaga natin dito is to have a relationship, a sexual relationship with them, hindi lang friendship. Okay? So, kayo na bahala kung ano yun, kung long term ba gusto nyo or short term. So, we want to recreate this kind of excitement. Yung may ups and downs. Kasi kapag ganito ka lang, steady lang, wala, boring. Kumbaga, meron ka bang nakitang roller coaster na ganito lang? Straight line lang. May enjoy mo ba yon? May excite ka ba doon? Hindi naman, di ba? So, it's always like this. Yung mga roller coaster, laging ganyan-ganyan. And it gives you excitement, anticipation. So, itong straight line na to is yung tinatawag nating nice guy seduction. Pag kasi nice guy ka lang, gusto mo palaging smooth, straight lang, ayaw mo gumawa ng conflict, ayaw mo gumawa ng tension. Palaging ganito. That's why yung nice guy seduction, yung pagiging mabait ka lang, palagi kang available, binibigay mo lahat ng gusto, binibigyan mo ng flowers, binibigyan mo ng chocolates, it won't work. Kasi ganyan lang siya. Steady, one line. So, wonder why women love romantic or erotic novels, yung mga Precious Heart Romance, 50 Shades of Grey, movies with drama, lahat ng drama, mga romantic comedies, reality TV shows, PBB, yung mga reality TV shows sa Amerika, chismis. It's because it gives them tension, it gives them excitement. Ayan. It gives them tension. Diba ito? Laging may anticipation. Laging ano kaya yung next? Ano kaya mangyayari? Ano kayong tama? Ano kayong mali? It keeps them on the edge of their seats, kumbaga. Kasi meron silang tension na nararamdaman. So, now alam natin to. Ibig sabihin ba, need natin maging bad boy? Kailangan ba natin mag-create ng excessive drama? Kailangan ba natin sila i-manipulate? Kailangan ba natin maging abusive? Maging emotionally absent, or we make women purposely jealous? So, here's the thing. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na spectrum. So, sa kabilang spectrum, ito yung nice guy seduction. Ibig sabihin, walang tension. As in, playing too safe. The other spectrum, itong sa kabila, yung another extreme, ito yung much aggressive. Bad boy seduction, in which uses negative tension. Pero dito, sa loob ng romantic gentleman, ay yung tuturo natin sa inyo is yung tinatawag na sensual tension. Ibig sabihin, nasa gitna lang. Hindi tayo masyadong passive, hindi rin tayo masyadong aggressive. Kumbaga, assertive with respect pa rin. We're confident, we're calm, and we welcome tension. So, ano ba itong sensual tension na to? So, sensual tension is not about manipulation or being a gago. So, hindi ko kayo tuturuan manggago dito. Okay? Medyo lang. So, it's about creating positive connection with a woman. So, this is about a man maintaining his values, having boundaries, and owning his masculinity and desire. Hindi niya kinakahiya, hindi niya tinatago, but he is showcasing his presence and desire. So, we will use sensual tension rather than using manipulation tactics or being passive. Being passive meaning isinusurrender mo na lahat sa babae. Kumbaga, ikaw yung nagsasubmit, ikaw yung nagiging submissive sa kanya in order to please her and to avoid conflict. So, what I will teach you is not about using specific tricks or scripted pickup lines on women. So, hindi ko kayo tuturuan ng lines lang dito na disposable, na kapag naubos na, wala na. So, this is more about improving yourself and becoming more understanding, aware, and brave. Kumbaga, i-embody natin dito yung pagiging romantic gentleman. Kasi pag tinuruan ko lang kayo ng lines, ito lang sabihin mo. Paano pag nasabi mo na yon? Ano na yung next mo? Wala na. Kasi madali lang talaga magsabi ng lines. However, this very short term lang to. So, I've been there na ang dami kong pick-up lines, ang dami kong scripted tactics. Kapag natapos na yung scripted lines, scripted tactics ko na yun, wala na. Kaya yung mga relationship ko before, laging nag-fail. Na-try ko na yung nice guy tension, yung passive. Nag-fail. Sinabihan akong weak. Another thing, yung nag-try ako, bad boy naman. Naging sobrang toxic lang rin yung relationship. So, the best approach on learning about sensual tension is I want you to observe, learn, and have fun. So, parang lang kayo naglalaro dito. You're observing kung paano siya nag-react. You want to learn. Kasi once you observe, you learn ano yung mga naging mali mo, ano yung sa tingin mo may improve mo pa. And lastly, ang pinaka-importante is to have fun. Alright? So, press 1 if malinaw lahat, kung okay kayo dun sa i-discuss ko. Ganyan. Okay naman? Press 1. Yan. Thank you, Juan Carlo. Vince. Dan. Sige, tuloy tayo. So, ano na natin to? Yung roller coaster seduction. So, ang goal natin is attract them, make them excited and turned on, and then keep them coming back for more. Kumbaga, yun yung gusto natin. Parang roller coaster, di ba? Nakapunta na ba kayo ng EK? Yung sa mga nakapunta na ng EK, kapag nag-roller coaster kayo, di ba? Lagi nang ganun. You always attract them, ina-attract mo sila, na-attract tayo dun sa maraming ilaw, sa malaking poster. Then, kapag nasa rides na tayo mismo, may anticipation, may excitement. Then after that, kahit sobrang nakakatakot, gusto natin bumalik. Kahit may sense of danger, gusto natin bumalik. And that's what we want. That's what we want. Yun yung gusto nating ipa-feel sa mga babae. Alright? So, kung ready na kayo, here are, before tayo pumunta sa 8 kilig triggers that will activate yung sensual tension is, first of all, gusto ko muna kayong invite inside the Romantic Gentleman. So, Romantic Gentleman is a exclusive inner circle for men who wants to improve their masculinity and their dating skills. So, gusto nilang palakihin yung big stick energy nila and also matuto ng tinatawag kong calibrated game. Ibig sabihin, walang manipulation, all clean, all natural. So, meron kaming challenge sa loob na 10 weeks is equals to 10 dates. So, if gusto nyong malaman more, if you want to learn more about the Romantic Gentleman Inner Circle, pwede nyong puntahan tong link na to. Isasend ko sa chat. Ayan. Sinend na rin ni Ots. Okay? So, pwede nyo siyang i-check later on. Okay? Tuloy tayo. Ayan. So, here are the 8 primal emotional triggers, and these are backed by science. These are used by men's therapists, psychologists. Ayan. So, sure ako, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya backed by science. And these are the 8 emotional triggers na pwede natin gamitin, o yung tinatawag nating kilig triggers, in order to make women feel something about you. Yung something na yun. Ito yun. Itong 8 yun. Attention, security, pleasure, competition and status, anticipation, uncertainty, drama and intrigue, variety and novelty, and polarity. Yang 8 yan. So, mamaya, iisa-isahin natin to. Lalaliman natin isa-isa. I will discuss kung bakit yan. Anong meron dyan, bakit attention gusto nila, bakit gusto nila ng pleasure, bakit gusto nila ng competition and status, kung bakit sila natitrigger, kung bakit natitrigger sa kanila yung tension na yon. So, these are triggers that can create sensual tension.
Yo brother, putulin ko lang. I just wanna say thank you sa panonood ng live training recording na yon. Actually, that's a live Zoom session na kinonduct ko inside my newsletter, yung Never Chase newsletter. Kung hindi ka pa kasali doon, as of now, 5,300 men na ang kasali sa loob ng aking exclusive newsletter. Libre lang. If you want to join, meron dyan sa link sa description. Check nyo na yung link dyan sa description box. Dyan, nilagay ko dyan somewhere there. So, libre lang ang registration doon. So, doon ako usually nag-a-announce ng mga live workshop or mga live Zoom sessions masterminds. And also, nagsisend ako dyan ng mga daily insights, okay? Daily dating insights about masculinity, about men's personal development overall. Ngayon kasi focus ako ngayon on dating. Ayan. So, if you want to know more about men's personal development, lalo na kung ang isa sa interest mo rin is dating and also personal development, then you can join my newsletter below. Ayan. And kung gusto mo naman ma-access yung whole recording nung Kilig Triggers in which diniscuss ko yung isa-isa, yung 8 na pinakita ko, 8 kilig triggers o 8 kilig triggers na nakakapag-trigger ng sensual tension. You can avail it. Sobrang mura lang niya. Andyan sa link sa description. Ma-avail mo na siya at almost 2 hours. 2 hours worth of Zoom session training. Ayan, ma-avail mo lang siya dyan sa description below. Check mo na lang yung link dyan. So, yun lang. Hopefully, nakatulong pa rin itong video na to kahit nakakat. Nabigyan ko kayo ng value. Nabigyan ko kayo ng clarity kung ano ba gusto ng mga babae. So, yun lang. So, hopefully, I see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Let's go!